Comrades, I shall write a fitting poem, one with more folly than sense, all laden with love, joy, and youth. And let he be called a knave who doesn't understand it or learn it, for that matter, by heart. People who like poetry hardly part from love. I have 2 horses I can saddle well and gladly. They are good and brave and fit for fighting, and I can't keep them both because they can't stand each other. If I could tame them as I wish, I wouldn't take my gear elsewhere, because I would be mounted better than anyone else. The one is the fastest of the mountaineers, but it has been acting fiercely oddly for a long time, and it is so fierce and savage that it refuses to be bridled. The other was reared around confolens, and you never saw a prettier one by my troth. Such one can't be traded for gold nor for silver, because I gave it to its master as a filly. But we agreed to the condition that if he had it for 1 year, I would have it for a century.
Knights, advise me about this conundrum.
Never was I so troubled by a choice.
I don't know which one to keep to, that a Dame Agnes or that a Dame Arson.
I hold the castle of Jimmel and its land, and I boast about you with everybody, since both are sworn faithful to me.